just got you a little something. Look at this guy. He's retiring. That picture. He's gonna open his present.
Say Starbucks?
Yeah, no, it doesn't say Starbucks. I don't know if it's gonna fit you.
I'll wear that next Friday.
Huh?
Next Friday.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. What does it say? So that's what you need to wear on the last day.
Yeah, that's for sure.
That's why I gave it to you now.
Yep, I'll definitely wear that on Friday.
Is that gonna fit you, do you think?
Oh, I think so.
XL.
Yeah, XL.
Yeah? Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wearing this next Friday.
Did you get that made?
Yeah. Because my son has somebody that customize things, right? So
So do I.
I know, but he already ordered it for me. Yeah, we should bring the balloon here.
Company function. There's some items inside there.
Open it, open it, open it, open it.
It's a show and tell situation.
Show and tell.
Those come in handy. Hopefully you don't lose them all.
Yeah, don't lose them on the first day. Exactly.
T-shirt?
Yeah, t-shirt.
Go.
T-shirt.
Long sleeve T-shirt.
Early morning golfers.
You know, remind you of what you used to be.
For the early morning golfers.
TK cap.
Another set of golf balls.
No golf balls. No golf balls? That's in case you can't see very well in your retirement. Flashlight. Oh.
Flashlight.
Okay, well there's some more things and you need to read out the messages to everybody before you open them.
Okay.
Did you make this?
You do?
What is it? What does it say? What does it say?
Down the bottom.
To save your back.
Show people what it is.
To save your back. Okay.
Back? Oh, I want to see what's
Yeah, it's a ball grabber.
What is that?
a cane.
You have a cane? Oh, your cool thing.
So you don't have to pick up the balls?
Yeah. Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Save in the box, open the box and read the messages.
Oh, it's just open the top.
Just comes up.
You don't have to do that, yeah.
We made it easy for you, Mike.
It's the American Open.
Open it.
The candy of retired people.
It's the retired people. Okay.
Mike, you have to go like this to show what's in there. Yeah. Oh, cool. Candy of the retired people.
Something you don't need to chew.
That's his favorite. He loves that.
What else? Yeah. Oh, show us
So
the
you
note.
can find your balls in the rough.
Oh.
They must be yellow.
Wow.
This is bright.
That's it. it.
Oh, great.
What's the last one? Ah.
No,
To stop you missing a swing.
To stop missing a swing. Okay. Ah. Golf tees.
I hope you golf, Mike.
He always there.
So the people of Florida do not confuse you as an American.
Okay. What?
I know what this is.
Okay.
Proudly Canadian. Must always.
Aww. That's a cute one. Aww.
Buy golf things.
What is that?
To buy golf.
Golf things.
Okay. Must be a wallet. Okay, let's see. Gift card.
Golf town.
Golf town? Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
I don't know what's this one.
Find lost things.
Lost things?
Okay, let's see.
It's an apple.
Almost like a scavenger hunt.
No better recording. Get the audio.
TKE.
Like an answer.
Air tag. No?
Oh, somebody help him with that, will you?
Yeah.
There's
Do you attach it to like a thing that you don't
Yeah,
want
then
to
you
lose?
find it on an app on your phone.
the air
And connect
tag.
to your phone, like.
Your golf bag.
Yeah.
The air tag.
It's even find thing. I have one of my keys.
It actually works reverse. You can find your phone. You have that. So.
Right, speech, Mike, speech.
Or put it in your vehicle so nobody steals it. You know, nowadays people steal vehicles, right?
Yeah.
So your tag will show you it's in Malaysia or somewhere. I don't know.
Well, thank you very much, everybody, for coming and all the stuff here and everything. And I'm wondering what to say for a while. And one of the things is I'd like to thank Tom and Nora for not firing me for. Although the thoughts dropped.
You're welcome.
My pressures.
And it's been great working with all of you, especially the collection team here. The long-term people like Ning and Dominic and all the rest of you. And great working with you. And thank you for putting all of this together. And
How many years has it been, Mike?
18 years.
18.
Oh, I'm 17, my fault.
Is there anyone who is here who started?
Pardon?
Is there anyone here who started?
Oh, that's a bell.
Sibel is, she's off.
Diba?
Like Sue?
I started in.
Nice.
Yee. It's just
One guy I gotta thank who's not here, that Debo will know and a few other you'll know is Manny Mendoza.
oh yeah.
Manny, if I didn't meet up with Manny, I wouldn't be here. So I gotta thank Manny, even though he's not here, retired long ago. And,
What's the story?
How did you
What's the story?
well, I came in for an interview and met up with Manny, and he said I would meet up with Sal, the CFO, and so I said okay. So I said, and then he came back and he said, well, Sal's busy. Sorry, I can't. He can't meet with you today. So I said okay, and so I went back home and I was there looking for another job for a couple of weeks, and then Manny called me up again and he said, Sal, we'll see you now. And so, so luckily I hadn't found another job, and I came in and met with Sal and he said, can you start tomorrow?
Amazing.
So I did, and that was it. I've been here ever since.
So mainly in shirt, that's all they'll see you. You know, so he must
Yeah.
have, you know.
I would say it's the other way around, Mike.
And that's what I was about to say. You, Mike, have been, you know, coaching lots of people here.
Yeah,
right?
so thank you, Mike.
Wow! Excellent! Wow! Okay, may boss now. Let's film this. Oh, oh, nothing. Sorry. She didn't get anything. Oh yeah, I'm starving. Where is it? Oh, okay, good. Max! Shoes for sale! Shoes for sale! It's smelly shoes for sale! Who wants that? Come on! Let's try and check this, guys.
Oh, I want to get pictures of the scoreboard when they're at.
Oh, it's my turn! Oh my goodness!
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.